Now, India's heat waves are no longer just a summer inconvenience. They are becoming longer, deadlier, and harder to escape. Temperatures are soaring earlier in the year, nights are staying unusually warm, and scientists now say climate change is making heat waves even more intense. A new analysis warns that millions of people are exposed to dangerous heat stress across the country. From Delhi to Rajasthan, from Uttar Pradesh to Telangana, vast parts of India are baking under extreme temperatures. In several cities, the mercury has crossed 45 degrees Celsius, while some regions in Maharashtra have touched nearly 47 degrees. But scientists say the real danger is not just the daytime heat anymore. Heat waves are now arriving earlier, lasting longer, and continuing even through the night. And according to climate researchers, the same weather conditions that caused heat waves decades ago are now happening in a much warmer world. A recent Climameter analysis has found that India's April 2026 heat wave became up to 2 degrees Celsius hotter because of human-driven climate change. And in simple words, imagine heating water on a stove. If the stove flame becomes stronger every year, the water boils much faster. And that is exactly what climate change is doing to heat waves, making already hot weather even more dangerous. And scientists say greenhouse gases released from vehicles, factories, and fossil fuels are trapping more heat in Earth's atmosphere. Experts say one of the biggest warning signs is rising night temperatures. Earlier, even after a hot day, nights used to cool down. And now in many Indian cities, temperatures remain above 30 degrees Celsius even at midnight. And this means that the body, or the human body, gets less time to recover from daytime heat exposure. Children and elderly people, outdoor workers, and those without air conditioning face the highest risk. As per consulting firm Climate Trends, the all-India average nighttime temperature rose by about 0.21 degrees Celsius from 2010 to 2024. Scientists say humidity is becoming another major problem. When humidity rises, sweat does not evaporate easily from the skin, and sweating is now the human body cools itself, how the human body cools itself, that is. And so even if the actual temperature is lower, the body feels much hotter and more uncomfortable. For instance, India witnessed over 14,000 hot inhuman days between 2020 and 2024. Now, urbanization is also worsening the crisis. Concrete roads, glass buildings, and shrinking green cover trap heat during the day and release it slowly at night. And this is called the urban heat island effect. And that is why even cities once known for pleasant weather are now witnessing unusually hot summers. The impact is spreading far beyond discomfort. Hospitals are reporting rising heat stroke cases. Power demand is surging as more people use coolers and air conditioners. Water scarcity is worsening in many regions. And climate experts estimate that nearly 44 million people and economic activity worth over $341 billion were exposed to the most extreme heat conditions during the April heat wave. Meteorologists warn that heat waves may become more frequent and severe in the coming years if global temperatures continue rising. And scientists say reducing pollution, protecting green spaces, improving water management, and building heat-resilient cities will be critical to reducing future risks.